Are you overwhelmed by the logistics of delivering outstanding mobile service to customers? Mobile service is the future, but your current technology tools are holding you back. You have to manage customer appointments manually over the phone, while trying to minimize technician drive time without upsetting customers. And you have to constantly communicate with both customers and techs to keep everyone on the same page. This often leaves customers underwhelmed, confused, and frustrated. You need a system that delights customers while making your life easier. Meet Zippity, the only fully integrated all-in-one operating solution built by and for automotive mobile service professionals. With integrated point-of-sale, customer management, and shop management solutions, Zippity maximizes the potential of your mobile service business while reducing busy work. Enable customers to self-schedule online according to the geographic scheduling rules you set. This minimizes drive times while maximizing utilization. Receive online payments, send automated text and email updates to customers, and receive work authorizations online. Deliver modern customer experiences that keep clients well-informed and empowered with real-time data. And empower your technicians with tools that let them focus on what they do best. Take control of your automotive mobile service operations. Unify your operating system, simplify your processes, and unlock your company's growth. Let Zippity be the motor that drives your mobile business to new heights.